Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. The bright Indian sun always hits us differently, especially during this time of the season when it's peak summers. It torches extreme heat, and let's not forget the amount of pollution that we are dealing with simultaneous to the high temperatures. As we all know that the high temperatures, intense sun, pollution, dust can really leave our skin tanned. It can take away the natural glow from our faces. It can cause and result in intense pigmentation and sun damage that has no end. So I am gonna get myself and you full armor to combat these problems. The first tip is to use the tomato goodness. Now, when it comes to detanning, I am sure that your moms and grandmas will suggest you to fetch a tomato from your kitchen. That's the first thing that they will suggest. Tomatoes are enriched with healthy acids that kind of break down the layers of tan from your skin, and it also kind of enhances the inner radiance. All you need to do is fetch a tomato, make it into a pulp, and just apply it all over your tanned skin parts as a pre-shower mask, and just keep it on for 10-15 minutes to let it do its magic. Second tip is turmeric magic. Haldi is the most frequently used Ayurvedic treatment when it comes to tans and burns, and honestly, it's my go-to. For that, I truly trust the Mama Earth's Uptan face mask. This is my best bet to remove suntan and restore the skin's natural glow. It has the goodness of turmeric, which revives skin's glow, and saffron that promotes clear skin. Apply a thin layer of the mask and wait for 15 minutes or till it completely dries off. Now, since my mask is completely dried, I'm going to wash it off with plain water. I mean, guys, I'm loving the soothing and that refreshing feeling. My skin is relatively tighter, detanned, even toned, and definitely glowing. Both these ingredients are trusted by our grandmothers, so definitely have faith in this product. Try using it for yourself, and you will see the magic in no time. I also love the fact that all the ingredients used in this are free from any sort of chemicals. The third tip is using an SPF. Yes, definitely. Prevention is always better than cure. So I really love using the Mama Earth Vitamin C Daily Glow Sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA++++. I truly love slathering it on my facial skin. It is non-greasy, lightweight formula, and I love applying it every time before stepping out to expose myself in the sun, because this gives me an overall sun protection, and you will find this product always in my purse. So guys, I have a discount code for you all, which is AGEN2025. It is applicable on Mama Earth's official website. However, these products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, and at all your nearby Mama Earth stores. I will have all the product links in the description box below, so definitely check them out. The last tip is to apply glycolic acid for dark spots. This is a new age face serum formula that is essentially excellent for removing dark spots and for skin brightening. Ever since I've started using a glycolic acid serum, there is just no looking back. It visibly reduces all kinds of spots and marks, and I promise it leaves you with an even toned, beaming skin. So try these tips, they are very simple and doable. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.